So I created this Clay table for creating automatically strategy, copies, ICP, etc. So as you see in this, for doing that, I just need company name and company website. I have this form. Once client fill this form, they will move to Airtable. Once it's moved to Airtable, I have this enrichment. It's run every day. So this enrichment automatically pull data in Clay. So once the data in Clay, those promotes automatically start running. If I click on this, they will start running in the end. And once the all promotes run, those all promotes I get from for this guy. And in this Clay table, I mostly using their promotes. So big shout out for this man. So once it's done in Notion, you will see the page. You will see all in of here. You just need to click. I just click on AI kind of thing here. So once AI run, they will give you like clear as you see lot of information you will get. It should be perfect if you went much research about the company, and they will give you like lead magnets and CTS etc and the email copies. Then you need to improve it. And yeah, if you want this Clay table, just comment workflow and I will send it to you. And let me know if any suggestion you have or any question. Thank you.